Hi there, it's Jen from simplegreensmoothies.com, and I am here to help you fuel your passion. Today we are going to make the best tasting green smoothie recipe out there. It is called Beginner's Luck, and over 1 million people have blended this smoothie and loved it. So I think you're next. This recipe is in my book called Simple Green Smoothies, which you can buy on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles. It's sold all over. And it's also in our free 7-day green smoothie challenge, which you can sign up for right here. So to make this delicious and nutritious green smoothie recipe, you are gonna need 2 cups of fresh spinach. We're gonna do 1 cup of pineapple. I like to use frozen because it's already cut and easy to do. And 1 cup of frozen mango. And the frozen fruit also helps chill down your smoothie. Then we're gonna put in 2 bananas. If you are not a fan of bananas, it's okay. You can also swap bananas for avocado and it will make it creamy still. And today I'm using my Vitamix A2500, which is from their Ascent series, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll put our 2 cups of leafy greens in first. So to measure 2 cups of greens, it's kind of tricky. I just do handfuls because it's hard to fit it in a measuring cup. So 2 good sized handfuls is about 2 cups. So it fills up a good amount of the container. Don't be scared. It may look a little intimidating right now, but I promise you it is a delicious recipe. Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. And depending on what kind of blender you're using, if you have a standard blender that's usually under $100, you're gonna wanna put the lid on and blend your leafy greens and your water together first. And this will help you get a super creamy green smoothie. If you're using a high-powered blender like the Vitamix, you won't need to do that. So we're gonna keep on adding everything in and just blend one time. So next we're gonna add the pineapple. Gotta get it all in there. And the mango. Smells so good. It is literally like a tropical party right now. And then the 2 bananas are last. And if you don't like the flavor of banana, you could even do 1 banana, but 2 makes it super creamy. It's just so delicious. And this recipe, it makes 2 servings. So I will be sharing it with my husband because we're gonna go hit up the pool and drink this poolside today. All right, let's get blending. I'm gonna put it on smoothie setting, which takes 50 seconds, and hit play and let it do its thing. We are gonna pour it into our glasses. Look at this bright green. Ooh, can smell the pineapple. It smells so good. All right. So I have a to-go lid, which I'm gonna take to the pool. Screw it on. Has a little hole. Put my straw in it. This one's for me, and this one's for my husband. Let's see how it tastes. Super creamy. Feel like I'm in Hawaii right now. Now that you have the best green smoothie recipe ever, I want to take you further. So sign up for our free 7-day green smoothie challenge right here. It's called Simple 7, and we will give you 7 recipes, a shopping list, and a daily guide to get you through the 7 days where you can try more recipes like that, and all of them are delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you give this recipe a shot and that you stick around for more of it because I'm here to help you fuel your passion.